Transaction analysis problem. Analyze the given transactions and find out the accounts to be debited and credited. A. Started business with cash 50,000 rupees and furniture 15,000 rupees. B. Purchased goods for cash 7,000 rupees. C. Purchased goods on credit 8,000 rupees from Salman. D. Additional investment of 50,000 rupees was made by the owner. E. A part payment of 4,000 rupees was made for merchandise purchased on credit from Salman. F. Commission received 5,000 rupees. G. Purchased furniture for cash 1,200 rupees. H. Sold merchandise on account to Adnan rupees 6,500. I. Purchased computer from Usman for 6,000 rupees. J. Purchased goods for rupees 10,000. Rupees 7,000 is paid immediately and the balance to be paid later on to Aslam. K. Cash sales 4,500. L. Goods taken away by the owner for his personal use 500. M. Goods costing 500 given as charity. N. Paid telephone bill rupees 350. O. Paid salaries to the employees 1,800. Solution. In the books of Mr. Hamza, analysis of the accounting transactions, date, transaction, accounts involved, nature of account, increase or decrease, account to be debited or credited. Transaction 1A. Started business with cash 50,000 rupees. Accounts involved, cash and owner's equity. Nature of account, cash is asset account, owner's equity is proprietorship account. Increase, cash account increase, owner's equity increase. Cash account debit, owner's equity credit. Started business with furniture rupees 15,000. Accounts involved are furniture and owner's equity. Nature of account, furniture is an asset account, owner's equity is proprietorship account. Asset account will increase, proprietorship account will also increase. Asset account debit, proprietorship, owner's equity account credit. Purchased goods for cash 7,000 rupees. Accounts involved are purchases and cash. Purchases is an asset account, cash is an asset account because it relates to inventory. Asset account increase, cash account decrease. Purchases account debit, cash account credit. C. Purchased goods on credit 8,000 from Salman. Accounts involved are purchases account and accounts payable account. Purchases is an asset, accounts payable is a liability. Purchase asset account will increase, liability account also will increase. Debit purchases account, credit accounts payable. Additional investment of 50,000 was made by the owner. Accounts involved are cash and owner's equity. Nature, cash is an asset account, ownership equity is proprietorship account. Asset account will increase, proprietorship account also will increase. Debit cash, credit owner's equity. A part payment of rupees 4,000 was made for merchandise purchased on credit from Salman. Accounts involved are accounts payable and cash. Accounts payable is a liability, cash account is an asset. Liability account will decrease, asset account will also decrease. Accounts payable debit to cash account credit. Commission received 5,000. Accounts involved are cash and commission income. Cash is asset account, commission income is income account. Asset account will increase, income account also will increase. Debit cash, credit income, credit commission income. Purchased furniture for cash 1,200. Accounts involved are furniture and cash. Nature of account, furniture is an asset account, cash is an asset account. Furniture account, asset account will increase, cash account, asset account also will decrease. Debit furniture account, credit cash account. Sold merchandise on account to Adnan rupees 6,500. Accounts involved are accounts receivable and sales account. Accounts receivable is an asset account, sales account is an income account. Asset account will increase, income account also will increase. Accounts receivable account debit to sales account credit. Purchased computer from Usman for rupees 6,000. Computer accounts involved are computer and cash. Computer is an asset account, cash also is an asset account. Computer account will increase, cash account will decrease. Computer account debit, cash account credit. Purchased goods for rupees 10,000 rupees 7,000 is paid immediately and the balance to be paid later on to Aslam. Accounts involved are purchases, cash, accounts payable. Purchases is an asset account, cash is an asset account, accounts payable is a liability. Purchase account will increase, cash account will decrease, accounts payable account will increase. Purchases account debit, to cash, cash account credit, to accounts payable account credit. Cash sales rupees 4,500. Accounts involved are cash and sales. Cash is an asset account, sales is income account. Cash account will increase, sales account will also increase. Cash account debit to sales account credit. Goods taken away by the owner for his personal use 500. Accounts involved are drawings account and inventory account. Proprietorship account. Drawings account is proprietorship account. Inventory is an asset account. Proprietorship account will decrease, asset account also will decrease. Drawings account debit to inventory account credit. Goods costing 500 rupees given as charity. Accounts involved are charity expense and inventory. Charity expense is an expense account, inventory is an asset account. Charity account will increase, inventory account will decrease. Charity account debit to inventory account credit. Paid telephone bill 350. Telephone expense and cash are the accounts involved. Telephone expense is an expense account, cash is an asset account. Telephone expense account will increase, cash account will decrease. Telephone expense debit to cash account credit. Paid salaries to the employees rupees 1,800. Salaries and cash are the accounts involved. Salaries account is an expense account, cash is an asset account. Salaries account will increase, cash account will decrease. Salaries account debit to cash account credit. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.